Welcome everyone to Module 3. I'm so excited that you have done so very well in the first 2 weeks. So I'm glad to look at this module here for you. So we have a Module 3 introduction. It gives you all the things that you'll be working on in this module, which is some diagrams, which are fairly easy to do. I recommend that you do them in Visio. You can do them in Microsoft Word. You can do them in PowerPoint. But Visio is really the easiest way to do it. If you have not already downloaded it, then feel free to go to Microsoft Visio, and there is a site that you can download it for free, and SNU gives you a license that you can use. So that is good. If you haven't already downloaded it, you want to download that. So this is the module at glance. So you have the resources, you have Module 2 activities in Zybooks, and Submit Project 1, this is actually Module 3. I'm not really sure why they have Module 2 in here. So let's go back to what you're going to be doing in Zybooks. And we have the lab activities. So you're going to be doing some Chapter 4 and Chapter 5 in here. If you take a look at the syllabus, it will tell you everything that you need to work on. So let's go and click on the lab activities here. Just waiting for load. So this is sorting a vector. Now I have a video here that you're going to look at, and this is what I have done. So I'm going to load the default template here so you can see what you actually will get. And this is how you're going to sort it. This is a description of it. All this is covered in the video that I made. So you will see that first thing on Monday morning. So develop mode is for Zybooks. So you're going to do your thing and implement the code, and you're going to run the program. And what will happen there is they'll grade it. Remember, they don't like user prompts, so you need to make sure that you refrain from using them so they don't mark you off. When you get done and everything looks good in Zybooks, then you're going to go to submit mode, and you're going to put in user prompts. So for instance, how many items are going to be in the vector would be the prompt, and then you would do the C in the number of items, or you can just define the number of items with an equal sign. So that would be one suggestion. Then you can put in the number of items one at a time in the array by what is item number 1, what is item number 2. Remember, you need to use pushback when you do that. And then you could also just input them right at once. Then you want a function that's going to sort the vector. So if you take a look at my video, you will see exactly the easiest way on how to do it. I submitted the sort that I wrote in there, and Zybooks took it just fine. So depending upon how you do it, I cannot promise that it'll work for you. I can only say that it did work for me. So you want to make sure that whatever you do, you get Zybooks to recognize your code first, and then you can change it to however you want and submit that to me. So that is it. Please remember that if you run into an issue with anything, it's always easier for me to help you if you let me know ahead of time instead of putting in some comments in your submission saying I couldn't do this, I couldn't do that, because then you've already submitted it. So please, I am only an email away from helping you. I'll do the very best that I can to answer your questions and address any needs that you have. So that is it. Have a wonderful week. And stay safe, everyone.